Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the countable and uncountable nouns. Now first of all we are see about the countable nouns. Means what is the countable noun we are see today? The nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. Means that nouns are which nouns are we can count it. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way we can count. It's called the counted nouns, countable nouns. Some rules are about the countable nouns we can see here. First of all, a and an can be used before the countable nouns. Means if that nouns are the countable nouns, that nouns are countable nouns, so before that nouns we can use the a and an article. For example, book means we can count the books. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This way we can count the books. So because of that, book is the countable nouns, and before the book we can use the this article. Eggs also we can count. So because of that, before these nouns we can use the article. Now second rule, the questions how many is asked for the countable nouns. How many rackets does Jack have? Means we can count that rackets. So because of that we can ask the questions to the how many rackets does Jack have. Now third rule is the numbers can be used with countable nouns. Means if we want to count the nouns, so that time we can use the numbers are there. For example, here given 5 rackets, 1 shuttlecock, 2 eyes, 2 ears. So this way we can use the numbers for the countable nouns. And one more rules about the countable nouns. Plurals are found in the countable nouns. Plurals means whatever the plurals things are having, that are found into the countable nouns. For example, books, pieces. Books means if the many books are there, so that also we can count. Many pieces, that also we can count. So this is the countable nouns. Means which nouns we can count with the numbers. It's called the countable number. Now we are see a second uncountable nouns or uncountable. We are see about the uncountable nouns. The nouns which be counted are called the nouns which cannot be counted. Means in countable we can count that, but into the uncountable, the nouns which cannot counted, we cannot counted, that are called the uncountable nouns. Do not, and in the nouns we can count, do not count, we can't count that nouns, it's called the uncountable nouns. First of all, first rule about the uncountable noun, do not use a or an. Means in the countable nouns we can use the a and an article, but into the uncountable nouns we could not use the a or an article. Then second rule, the question we can ask how much. In the countable nouns we can ask the question how many. Means they are showing the numbers are there 2 rackets, 3 shuttlecocks. This way they are showing to us numbers here, but into the uncountable nouns we can't ask to them how many, we want to ask there how much. So how much sugar do she have? If we are asking how many rackets, so we can say 1 racket, 2 rackets. But if we are asking how much sugar, so we can say 1 sugar, 2 sugar. No, so we can't say there, we can't use the numbers. So this is the uncountable nouns. Next rule is the numbers cannot be used in VRC. Into the countable nouns, there we can use the numbers. Means 5 rackets, 1 shuttlecock, 2 ears. This way we can use the numbers, but into the uncountable nouns we could not use the numbers. For example, see here, 1 water, we can say I want 1 water. No, we can say I want some water. This way. Then next rule is they normally do not have a plurals. Means see, we are see that in the plural form, in the countable nouns we are see that the books, books means that books we can count. There we can use the plural forms. Pieces, here also we can use the plural forms, but into the uncountable nouns we can't use the plural forms. For example, rices, we can write like this, rice is snow. So we here having only a singular nouns. Into the uncountable nouns we can use only the singular nouns rice.